Jai Hind guys, today we will cover important weekly current affairs and revise them in just minutes. So let's start. European Union section Indian oil refinery, that is Naira refinery. European Union sanctioned Naira refinery. Chairperson of the National Financial Reporting Authority became Nitin Gupta. Chairperson of the National Financial Reporting Authority. The Resistant Front declared terrorist group declared by USA. The Resistant Front, a terrorist group declared by USA. International Movement to Unite National Conference 2025 held in Noida, UP. National Flag Day celebrated on 22 July. National Flag Day. Cabo Delgado region is in Mozambique. World first AI model to read and convert ancient Modi script into Devanagari script, that is IIT, developed by IIT Roorkee. Believer's Dilemma, Vajpayee and the Hindu Right Path to Power has been written by Abhishek Chaudhary. India's first creative tech institute been established on Mumbai. What campaign did the Uttar Pradesh Health Department launch between July 16 to 31? That is Stop Diarrhea campaign. Endangered Plant Conservation Program launched in Uttarakhand. Kamchatka Peninsula located in Russia separates which two major bodies of water? That is Bering Sea and Sea of Okhotsk. Aditi Chauhan recently declared retirement related to football. Koneru Humphrey became the first woman of India to participate in 5 women chess edition semi-final related to Andhra Pradesh. She is related to Andhra Pradesh. 2025 session held in Georgia, Batumi. Next 3 World Test Championship will be held in England. International Moon Day celebrated on 20 July. Exited from the net zero banking alliances, that is Hong Kong and Shanghai Corporation. Shakti 3 initiative launched by Odisha for women's safety. Indigenous vaccine of malaria made by India, that is Adfalsi Vax. Milk subsidy scheme launched by Assam. UK free trade agreement is expected to formally signed on July 24-25 during PM Modi visit to the UK. Which of the following is not a part of the deal? That is, the deal includes quota-based access for the EVs, not immediate duty-free entry. Okay. Next. The world's largest hydropower plant to be developed by China on Sangpo River. Total hydroelectricity capacity 53,030.22 megawatt. Bitra Island located in Lakshadweep. UNWSIS Championship Award in Geneva, Switzerland goes to Meri Panchayat app. Center of Excellence of Hornbill Conservation launched in Tamil Nadu. Nisar satellite be launched by which space agency with ISRO? That is NASA. Nisar is a first Earth observatory center developed by ISRO and NASA. World Chess Cup 2025 will be held in India. India will hold World Chess Cup 2025. World Brain Health Day celebrated on 22 July. This first mining tourism project will be launched in Jharkhand. Jagdeep Dhankar has recently resigned from his office of Vice President. He is replaced by Harivansh. Which medal did India secure for the first time in the badminton at the FISU World University Game? That is bronze. In which state was the Indian Open Athletics meet organized for the first time? That is Bihar. According to Henley Passport Index, rank of India is 77th. Bharat NCX 2025 related to National Cyber Security Exercise. National Cyber Security Exercise. UNESCO, that is USA. Country withdrawn from UNESCO. One-time regulation scheme launched by Puducherry government. Removal of the judge in the Article 218. Indian Army acquired Apache helicopter from USA. Post will be retired which aircraft? That is MiG-21. Mizo Daspar hub launched by Mizoram. Ratan Thiam recently passed away related to Manipur and also related to the drama. Green Hydrogen Valley Initiative launched by Andhra Pradesh. National Green Hydrogen Mission launched in 15th August 2023. Budget 19,744 crore rupees. The Interstate Youth Exchange Program inaugurated at the Kurukshetra University on July 25, 2025 was a part of which initiative? That is Ek Bharat, Shresht Bharat. On July 25, 2025, PM Modi started his visit to which country following the UK trip? That is Maldives. Samudra Pachit, a pollution control vessel launched by Pollution Control Vessel. It is a second indigenous made pollution control vessel for marine ecosystem. Indian Coast Guard it is launched for Indian Coast Guard. So Indian Coast Guard established on 1977 under the Ministry of Defence. Its Director General is Parmesh Sivamni. IUCN World Conservation Congress 2025 will be held in UAE. Mahadai River disputes between Karnataka and Goa. Mahadai River dispute. Karnataka and Goa. 1,000-year-old Cholagangam Lake will be revived, located at Tamil Nadu. For peaceful settlement of International Dispute Resolution 2788 has been adopted by UN Security Council. AI chatbot named Skill India Assistant has been launched by Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Samojik Pratibedhan Manch platform launched by Security Exchange Board of India. Its headquarters in Mumbai, established on 1988. Chairperson is Tuhin Kanta Pandey. World top 10 best airports list for the third time became Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Airport of Mumbai. Cooperative Policy 2025 launched by Amit Shah will replace which policy? That is National Cooperative Policy 2002. Appointed as a new chairperson of the Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, that is Ajay Seth, will be appointed as the new chairperson of Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. Its headquarters in Telangana, Hyderabad. A war-like situation has emerged between Thailand and Cambodia over which temple? That is Preha Vihar Temple. PM Modi has been invited at 60th Independence Day of which country? That is Maldives. According to the Nombios 2025 Mid-Year Safety Index, which is the safest country in the world? That is UAE. Gorbia Solar Power Project has been inaugurated in which state? That is Rajasthan. Kargil Vijay Divas celebrated on 26 July. National Sports Governance Bill was introduced in Lok Sabha by whom? That is Mansukh Mandavia, Sports Minister of India. Which country will officially recognize the Palestinian state? That is France. Amadir Para Amadir Samadhan, launched by West Bengal. Maritime Financing Summit 2025 will be held in New Delhi for maritime sector development and making maritime sector global hub by 2047. A high-profile legal event began 26 July in Srinagar, attended by CJI Bhushan Gavai, that is North Zone Regional Legal Summit. Which UNESCO partner country formally announced its withdrawal on 26 July 2025? That is USA. A rare but long-billed bush warbler was recently spotted after 46 years in which region? That is Ladakh. Which state is said to launch India's first mining tourism project? That is Jharkhand. Which major sport event feature an All-India Women Final is scheduled to begin on 26 July? That is Women Chess World Cup. Okay. So guys, we have completed some important current affair of this week. I hope you like this session. If you like this session, please like the video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.